Hey, what's up guys? So OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro are coming at the end of their product cycles, and so it's time for OnePlus 8 leaks to naturally start coming. Ever since OnePlus came in the phone market in 2014, they've been releasing flagship specs at affordable prices, but that's sadly going to change this year. The Pro variant will be the best phone OnePlus has to offer, and it could potentially near the $1,000 mark and then make OnePlus another premium flagship phone maker. Pete Law has also said that the next generation of phones could be all in on 5G as well as having 120Hz refresh rate displays. There were also reports of the wireless charging being a feature on the devices, and this comes as a surprise since the CEO has said in a statement that wireless charging was slow with the current technology. If you want any more tech news and information on tech products, drop a like on the video and press the subscribe button for more tech related stuff. So this year OnePlus is rumored to launch not one but three different devices simultaneously, which is an entry level OnePlus 8 Lite, the mid-range OnePlus 8 and the top level OnePlus 8 Pro. So the OnePlus 8 Lite is going to feature a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera since the pop-up mechanism proved to be a failure point in the durability of the phone as well as the mechanism taking up a lot of space in the phone. OnePlus better thought to remove it altogether. Personally, I love the all-screen display of the 7 Pro and the 7T Pro. The display of the device is rumored to be a 6.4-inch 2440 x 1080p resolution with a refresh rate of 90Hz. The company stated during the release of the 7T that they won't be going back to 60Hz displays, so this rumor could possibly be true. Also, we could be seeing a flat screen in this model, and it is still unconfirmed whether OnePlus would allow switching to 60Hz, as switching to a lower refresh rate could help preserve battery life. The camera of the device is still in confusion as rumors suggest either a dual camera or a triple camera setup, although the leaked specs are given for the triple cameras, which are 48 megapixel f/1.7 for the main camera, 16 megapixel f/2.2 for the ultra wide and 12 megapixel f/2.4 for the telephoto. As for the performance, the leaks indicate that the device won't be shipping with a Snapdragon 865, rather a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 processor under the hood. The phone will also support 5G connectivity. As for the storage capacity, the phone will start at 6GB and go up to 8GB of RAM with 128 to 256GB storage options. The battery is said to be at 4000 mAh with 30 watts of dash charge. The price is said to be around 400 Great Britain pounds for the entry-level model. As for the OnePlus 8, the device is slated for a 6.4-inch 2440 x 1080p screen with a cutout for the selfie camera. The refresh rate will be expected to be 120Hz with curved edges on the display. The camera of this device is expected to be a triple rear sensor, which is 48 megapixel f1.7 for the main sensor, 16 megapixel f2.2 for the ultra wide and 12 megapixel f/2.4 for the telephoto. The OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro has Snapdragon 855 Plus as the main processor, and this year we are bound to have the same pattern of the latest Snapdragon 865 along with 5G for the OnePlus 8. The RAM is said to be at 6GB for the base model and goes up to 8GB with a 128GB or 256GB storage capacity. The battery is said to be a 4000 mAh unit with 30 watts of dash charge. Also, the phone would be having under-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. The pricing of the phone is about 549 Great Britain pounds. The OnePlus Pro is the best phone out of the three, which is having all the high-end features. The display is a 120Hz 3140 x 1440p resolution with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The selfie camera is said to be a 32 megapixel sensor with a punch hole cutout, which means that there will be no pop-up selfie camera this year. I personally will miss the unobstructed full screen display that we had on the OnePlus 7 and 7T Pro. OnePlus has one of the best displays on the market, and having a 120Hz screen will put it up against the Galaxy S20 series. The camera on the OnePlus 8 Pro, according to reports, is a triple sensor setup with a 48 megapixel f/1.7 main camera, 16 megapixel f/2.2 ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel f/2.4 telephoto. And the selfie camera will also feature a time of flight sensor, presumably for 3D facial unlocking. Currently, facial recognition on OnePlus phones is through an RGB sensor, and the newer technology is supposed to be more secure than the previous phone's security. The phone is also reported to have better waterproofing and a higher IP rating. The internal specs of the device is featuring Snapdragon 865 processor with 8 to 12GB of RAM, and the storage capacities are unknown, although we are expecting the device to have higher storage capacities than the other models. The phone is also packing in 5G connectivity with sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave technology, as OnePlus has said to be going in all of 5G. The battery is said to be a 4500 mAh unit with 50 watts of super fast charging. Reports are also suggesting that the phone is also featuring 30-watt wireless charging. Personally, I hope to see reverse wireless charging being a feature in this phone, as it can be used to charge other devices. The price of the phone isn't less, and we're expecting to see a price of about 800 US dollars or 700 Great Britain pounds. There are also rumors of a fourth device, which is the OnePlus Concept 1, being on sale along with the other devices. Although this information should be taken with a bit of salt, We expect the McLaren edition of the phone to borrow some features of the Concept One, most probably the monochromatic glass on the rear cameras. The phone is reported to have an announcement date of April 15th, where OnePlus could possibly be holding an online event due to the recent events happening around the world. The upcoming days are very crucial as the event nears in, and so will the leaks keep increasing. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a like as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video.